Mga kasangkayan tulog plant lovers and gardeners, mapayong kulot ngayong tanan or good afternoon to all of you. So today I am going to unbox the plant cuttings that I ordered online. So I am quite disappointed kasi inabot ngayon ng 12 days bago ma-deliver yung aking in-order. So I am worried na baka yung mga plant cuttings na aking in-order kung hindi man talagang dried na siya, wala na talaga. I don't know. This is really a gamble. I ordered, ang sabi daw ng taga GNT is aabutin daw ng 4 to 7 days in transit bago dumating sa akin. Pero inabot nga siya ng 12 kasi pinick up nila yung package doon sa Albay ng January 14. So I just received this parcel today. It's already January 25, 2020. So let's see kung maganda pa yung hinahinat na ng aking mga plant cuttings. Actually, this is composed of 5 different varieties of mulberry. So let's see. Talagang gamble ang mag-order online ng mga plants kasi hindi ka nakakasigurado kung kailan darating ang iyong in-order, lalo na ngayon with the current situation ng ating pandemic na marami yung mga restriction, no? Ito yung mga in-order ko. These are 5 varieties of mulberry. The first one is the Korean variety. The second one is what is this? This is the Alfonso variety. The third one is Illinois. The fourth one is the Australian hybrid. And the fifth one is Indian hybrid number 25. So pagdating sa sa sealer, medyo talagang hanga naman ako sa sealer kasi mabilis yung trabaho niya, na-prepare niya agad at na-ship yung aking order, same date na in-order ko siya. So ayan, at saka the packaging is talaga maganda. So let's see. So this is the Alfonso variety ng ng mulberry. Look at this. Oh, so they are still in very good condition. Actually, they have already started to produce branches. So ganyan lang natin so that we won't lose the identification of this plant. Next one, we're going to open the Korean variety of mulberry. Oh, the same. It's the same. The cuttings is already has already produced some branches. So the third one that we are opening is the Australian hybrid. Look at this. Oh, so it's very much alive, just like the Alfonso and the Korean variety. So I am expecting that the 2 remaining packs are also in very good condition, just like the Australian, the Korean, and the Alfonso variety. So let's see. The fourth one is the Indian variety. This is sad. This is quite sad kasi unlike the first 3 packs na ating binuksan, the Indian variety is starting to rot. I think this is still good. Medyo may mga konting rot. Unlike the other 3 packages na inopen natin kanina, which is already producing some branches, this one doesn't have a single one. So Indian. The last one is the Illinois. They say that this is one of the best varieties of mulberry. So let's see kung this has also produced some branches. Look at this. Hmm, still very good. Just like the others. So, may mga ano na rin. It's already producing some branches. So, that's it. Thank you very much na hindi naman na damage yung ating mga goods na in order. Kasi I was actually expecting the worst. Kasi 12 days, just imagine live plants, cuttings na ano na i-orderin mo tapos aabutin ng 12 days in transit. What are you going to think or what are you going to expect? Diba? So, that's it. Magaling yung sealer ha. Yung sealer, not the courier services. I just don't know kung bigyan naman natin ng chance yung GNT. So, I don't know, baka the current situation, pandemic situation, or because of the restrictions, kaya lang siguro na delay yung kanilang pagdi-deliver. Hindi ko pa naman kasi tested yung ano nila, yung services, because I am used to having a transaction with LBC and GRS. So, that's it for now mga kasangkayan, because I am going to, ano muna, ibababad sa tubig before transplanting this, kasi that was the advice of the sealer. So, that's it for now mga kasangkayan. Bye-bye muna.